Alright guys, we're back on the road. Just finished filling up. And let's get it. Hollywood, here we come. For those who don't know, we're on the back side of Hollywood. This is the Hollywood Bowl right here to the right hand side. This is where they have a lot of the concerts. I've been here before. It's a pretty cool little spot. It's inside there. You have to walk all the way in there to get to the Hollywood Bowl. Other than that, you keep going straight and you're gonna get to the main street. Hopefully we still get to see some crazy stuff. It's been calm lately, hasn't been crazy. I know the Grammys just happened not too long ago, so we missed that, but either way they would close everything down. It looks really calm today. So this is it. This is the back side of Hollywood. The main street is the next one. Well, you guys can see it's nice. Kind of looks like New York or something. And it is true, there is a lot of homeless people here in Hollywood, and sometimes they could get really dirty. So the main part of Hollywood is to the right hand side, but we're gonna make a left. So right hand side is the main Hollywood part over there. That's the main part. To the left, you're gonna see a bunch of stores, you're gonna see a bunch of hotels, and you're gonna already see stars on the floor. For those who like and don't like Donald Trump, the star was over there to the right. If you come Saturday morning, Sunday morning, or Friday morning, it's gonna be very, very packed. Obviously right now it's not as packed, but you still get some of the experience. There's still a lot of people here visiting. You can see the tourists with backpacks and all that. But you see, there's a lot of stores here. There is gangs around here too. So you'll see groups of people, part of a gang, so they're selling narcotics or something. Right now, I am actually amused. There's not really that much homeless, especially because in downtown LA, something already happened over there. Especially because in downtown LA, they moved all the homeless people, and so all the homeless people went to the outside, like the valley, San Fernando Valley, towards Hollywood and all these areas over here. And of course, people look at the GSXR1000 because it is a freaking highlighter, bro. I don't know why that guy just stayed on the light. It was green. We're gonna go drive down more, and then we're gonna make a U-turn, come back around so I can show you guys the main part. I just kind of want to make this loop so you guys understand what Hollywood really is. It's a couple blocks. I haven't even stopped the video yet. Look, you guys can see the stars already on the floor. A lot of people on drugs talking to themselves. There's always fights here. It's very, very active on this side of Hollywood. I just hear people screaming back there. And then these lights take a long time because people can cross from one side to the other one. They can go right in the middle of the street and cross. Make a U-turn right here in the front, and this is pretty much Hollywood. So as you guys can see, it's not that long. There's still some stars over here, but it pretty much ends like right here already. That's it. I don't think there's any stars over there anymore. Like, this is the last street. But this is the main Hollywood Boulevard that we're on. I have not cut the video yet. I don't think I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna try to leave it running as much as I can. This badass church over here. I don't even know what kind of church that is. Let's go around again. Alright, we're gonna go make our way back around. Alright, we're making our way back around. Should I rev it a little bit? One rev. Woo! I don't want to be those annoying ass people that rev. There's so many cracks on the floor. I'm kind of scared of hitting something and eating. Oh, they got a Taco Bell restaurant over here. That's the one where they sell alcohol too, I think. I think that was the one. McDonald's over there. Like a little museum type of store. That's cool. There are a bunch of action figures over there. Or like, I don't know, they're sculptures? I think they're sculptures. This is the main part right here, guys. It's pretty packed. It's all red right here though. Gosh. This is the main Hollywood part, guys. We got here so fast. I need to make sure I take the key out of the bike. As you guys can see, it's been pretty calm today. It's during the week. Weekend is where it gets really, really packed. But there's nothing too special to it. Inside there is kind of like a little mall. It's a plaza inside of there. You can go in there. There's a bunch of stores, restaurants, and stuff like that too. And then over here is you got the theater and all that. The Chinese theater. Pictures on the sides doing paintings and stuff. But the GSXR1000, holy lord. Somewhat the people are still very, very active around here. The nightlife is crazy. There are quite a few nightclubs up there, more towards Sunset. There's a few nightclubs over there for like the young people, but they get really packed, man. Like if you were to come here for like, I don't know, Halloween or something, to a club, like a nightclub, to dance, bro, extremely packed. You can't even walk around. Like, and you have to be 21 and over. All right. So now we are filming. We're trying to film as much as we can. It's kind of hard because we got cars behind us. And then we got the people. You guys can see the stars right here. What's up, bro? Still gotta make more. Some clear shots. We're gonna zoom out a little bit. Can I get like a wide angle here? I'm gonna slow down to it. And then we back out from it. This is what it's like filming, guys, for your bikes. Ready, set, go. And then we go back. There you go. This is a good shot. I like this one right here. The famous Roosevelt Hotel right there. So this is Hollywood, guys. There's not too much to it, you know, but it's a place that you have to come and visit. You have to try it out for yourself. There's so many cops right there. Oh, those robots. Oh yeah, those are cool. Oh, he's gonna get hit by a car. Oh, yes sir, he stopped. Yo, those things have some crazy sensors, huh? I've seen people kick those things down, bro. Freaking iRobots and shit, dude. Wally! See you, brother! Oh, why he get scared? He got scared and stopped. I guess he heard the noise of the bike. Oh, that store has a lot of souvenirs. Look at that thing. That thing is huge. The crazy thing about Hollywood is it's one of those places where you're chilling and then all of a sudden you'll see a Lambo. You'll see like an, I don't know, freaking AMG, GT, like just crazy cars. And then you'll see a homeless guy going crazy, like fighting with somebody. It's that type of city, you know. It's super random. There's a lot of people with money. There's a lot of people, you know, on drugs. Such a big city. I mean, I love LA, man. Can't get me wrong. Even though everything's so expensive right now. Holes everywhere. Oh, the streets are really messed up though. That's one thing. Potholes everywhere. Alright guys, so that was Hollywood on a weekday. But let's see what's the next video, guys. I'm still thinking about the next video. I still got to do a canyon run with the bike. I still got to do a couple more impressions. And then there's a lot of spots that we want to check out. We're just keeping that in mind for the next video. Every day to every other day, there's got to be a video going on. So subscribe if you're new. Keep putting some comments there. It gets the motivation going. The shorts have been getting a lot of views. But stay tuned for the next one. And enjoy you guys this night, because over here, it's almost time to go to sleep. So peace.